Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to write schedule Apex class in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So make sure first that you are in your your development variable environment or in your sandbox, and then we will need just to start and go to the developer console so we can start writing these schedule classes. So basically here, this is an Apex developer guide of the Salesforce team. And from here, we can understand more about the Apex schedule. So from here, this is just a simple example that you can try for the scheduler or the cron jobs. And from here, you can start using the schedulable interface so you can start executing jobs and schedule them. So basically, this is a global method or interface, and from here you can start calling from it. So this schedule merge, for example, that will be calling or manipulating the merge numbers is implementing the schedulable interface. So from here we can start trying it by going to the developer console and then just create a new class, or from here we can just go a new, and from here just type a new class, and let's just uh, give it any name, apex class, my class, and I will just type OK. So now let's just do like this, and schedule, and from here I will just type OK, and from here we need to type this, and let's just remove this, and now we have in our class. After that we need just to go for a new, and then we need just to start triggering our uh, class, or just calling for the scheduler. So basically we need just to call in to the scheduler by just adding this code, and we can implement it just right here in the developer console. Let's just go from here. We need just to start calling for class, or just using this schedule merge. You will need just to construct it or create an object out of this class, and then you will need just to start to schedule these job. So here in the merge job, you will need just to start creating it, and then you will start having your job that will be executed, and then you can start monitoring it. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.